Hey everyone, Samantha here with one of our new launch bundles, the Grill Launch Bundle. So you get all of this, over $900 worth of stuff for only $250. Our deluxe grill and griddle and the optional plates, the waffle plate, the grill plate, and the griddle plates, $433 alone, and that comes with our pancake and waffle mix. So you can get all of this for $250. We also have our classic batter bowl, whisk, the manual food processor, the 3-quart micro cooker, great for rice or veggies. We have the mini measure all cheese grater. We have the rapid prep mandolin, and then we have our super veggie mix, great for adding extra veggies in your meals, the coated chef's knife, the adjustable measuring spoons, our garlic press, one of my favorites, the Southwestern seasoning, 3 of the flexible cutting mats, and then over here we have your recipe for success to get your business started off on the right foot. We have our taste buds, recipes, a scraper, and your very own Pampered Chef apron. What do you say? You ready to give it a shot? Let me know. Bye.